Hello, in this recording I will be talking about my project for research design for this year, which is car parking detection using public cameras. I started by gathering some tutorials, and as we can see here on the screen, this is the recording that was provided with the tutorial. So basically it's a video footage which is recorded from above by a drone. As you can see, this is a perfect angle because all the parkings are about the same length and width. So the process is to first get this RGB video. After that, you get the video converted to grayscale. This is the same video but converted to grayscale. And from grayscale, then you need to convert the video to binary. This is important because when the video is in binary, we can see if the cars, we can see the amount of pixels when the car is in a parking block or when it's not. So if there is a car in a parking, there's a lot of white dots, and if the parking is empty, we can see that there is much less dots. After that, we make a counter to count these pixel dots, and an if statement that depends on how many the if statement is set. In this case, it's 800. If it's less than 800, the parking is free. If there is more than 800 white pixels, the parking is occupied. This small number here counts the pixels, and this is the total capacity of the parking and how many we have that are not occupied. The car parks, each block is created when using a parking space picker. This is another program, and here you can manually create the parkings as you wish. After I have the tutorial, I went and recorded some footage myself from cameras available. I started by recording one from America. This is in Hicksville, United States. As you can see now, the angle is different. So when there are parkings that are far away or not in the center of the camera, the box does not match entirely the parking area. After I got this information, this is a video from United States. I went and gathered information video from Malta, and I managed to gather two videos. I have one in Gozo, and another one is in Marsa. This is the one in Gozo. It's always the same procedure. So you make the box, you count the pixels after you convert to binary, and then you can count the pixels inside. This is the one. This is the one in Marsa. You can see the same. And I managed also to record the same spot in Marsa, but in the evening. Here is the video in the evening. So as you can see, when the sun is going down, the pixels also starts going down, and as time goes by, you can see basically that the pixel will amount to 0 because there is no sun and there is no light. This is how it looks when it's converted to binary. So there is basically nothing showing, and the pixels cannot be counted obviously because there is none. So this is something that should be taken in consideration when trying to do this program in the evening, or when there is no proper illumination. Thank you for your time, Jonathan.